Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to use the data table concept in Excel. And in my previous videos, I showed you how you can use goal seek, solver, and scenario manager, which are basically part of what if analysis concept. So data table is also part of the what if analysis concept only. So in this video, uh, and uh, and if you missed watching those my previous videos on what if analysis, please go and watch it, and also I will share them in the iCard. And in this video I am going to show you how you can actually create a home loan calculator with the help of data table in just 5 seconds. So for checking your EMI or calculating your EMI, you don't have to use any softwares or any tools online. You just have to create a simple table like this. So I will also share this sheet in my video so you can download it and use it. So uh, so here I have a table which consists of principal amount from 10 lakhs to 70 lakhs and for a duration of 30 years, right? Now, my if I in my example, if I want to know the EMI for a principal amount of 50 lakhs, then how can I actually calculate the EMI here? So let's enter the formula here, the EMI formula, which is equal to PMT. Open the bracket, and rate is nothing but rate of interest. So select this cell divided by 12 because rate of interest is calculated per annum every year. So we need to divide it by 12, right? N per is nothing but number of periods here. So here we need to select this cell because this is our number of periods, and PV is nothing but the present value, which is the principal amount. Now you can just ignore these two other parameters here and close the bracket and hit enter. Now we got the EMI option, but this EMI option is in negative because why is it in negative? Because the principal amount is something which we are borrowing from banks, right? So that is why it is in negative. To convert this into positive, we need to simply enter a minus symbol here before the formula. So minus minus becomes plus. So enter the minus symbol before the formula and hit enter. And now we got our EMI in positive values, right? Right now we know that how we can calculate the EMI, right? For certain principal and duration. Now how we can how we can know the same EMI values for this corresponding years and the principal amounts. So how we can know is simply in this green cell, simply enter equal to sign and select this cell EMI formula here and click on enter. Now let's convert into rupee, right? Now with the help of data table, we can get multiple results in we can get multiple values in same time, right? So first let's understand the definition of data table here. So I'm going to the data tab, what if analysis, and here you can find the definition of data table, which is getting multiple inputs at the same time. So that is what we exactly need here. So we want multiple inputs at the same time. So how can we get the multiple inputs? By using this cell difference here. So this cell difference is nothing but a replica of this EMI formula here, right? So what we did here, just we copied the formula and we pasted it here, right? So we linked this cell with this cell, right? So using this cell differencing, we will be using the data table to get our EMI values for the remaining other corresponding cells, right? So to apply the data table concept, the first thing we need to do is we need to select this entire table here from this from this green cell to uh, the last cell of this table. Now we need to go to data and click on Whatif analysis and click on data table. Now this is the dialog box of data table. Now let's understand the two options which are given here. The first option is row input cell and column input cell. So the row input cell is nothing but, so here we have uh, months duration and here we have principal, right? So for months duration we will get EMI values in multiple rows, right? So here we will get the EMI values. For 24 months, we will get the EMI value in multiple rows. And for 36 months, we will get the EMI values in multiple rows, right? But but when it comes to column input cell and for the principal amount, we will get the EMI values in multiple columns. So for months, we will get the EMI values in multiple rows, and for the principal amount, we will get the EMI values in multiple columns. So you need to understand that before inputting the cell difference values, right? Right now, what will be our row input cell here? It will be the month cell, right? And the column input cell will be our principal cell here. Now click on OK. Now you can see with just one click we got our entire data of EMIs here for a period of 30 years, right? For principal amount of 10 lakhs we got our EMI values till 30 years. So that is the power of using data tables, right? Now let's test these values if these are correct or not. So let's change it to 40 lakhs as a principal amount and the duration let's keep it 300 months. And now what is the EMI here? 30,872.65, right? So let's match this with this table values. So 40 lakh principal amount and the duration is 300 months. And what is the value? 30,872. So our values are exactly matching. They are 100% accurate, right? So let's test with another value here. Let's take it 70 lakhs and EMI. Let's take it. It is 360, which is exactly 30 years. So what will be the EMI? If you take principal amount of 70 lakhs, then your every month interest will be 51,363 for a duration of 30 years. Let's match this value as well. So you can see both the values are accurately matching, right? So this is how you can actually use data tables to get multiple results at the same time, right? With just one with just one cell differencing, we got our entire EMI results at same time with the help of data table. So I hope you understood the concept of data table and how you can use it to create a home loan calculator in just 5 seconds. So if you have any questions, please put it down in the comment section. I will answer them. And if you find this video to be informative, then please like my video and also subscribe to my channel so that I can make more interesting videos on Excel. Thank you.